Hello everyone, I'm Astadu here and welcome back to Let's head on to the buzz of this week in software industry. So we have a lot of updates from Apache Software Foundation. Yeah, in this quarantine time, it has updated Tomcat, Wicket, Flink and Jackrabbit. So at the time when we are struggling to come out of bed, it has come out with 4 new updates. Some of the key changes specifically to Tomcat are like support for default values, warning when configuring HTTP connectors, and changing a system property called org. Yeah, its name would be here, to attribute encoded Solidus handling. So the world of quantum computing has become more real than ever before. The two team of physicists, one from Australia, another one from Netherlands, both have developed quantum computing in silicon that operates up to 1.5 Kelvin. Yeah, that's not a huge difference from 1 Kelvin to 1.5, but it's hot at the quantum scale and it can make a huge difference. It can significantly reduce the cost and size of a quantum computer. If you are interested in quantum computing, I would highly recommend you to check out the article in the description. Google has extended the deadline for deprecating the support for JSON RPC and global HTTP batch endpoints. According to Google, the plan was to decommission these features by March 25, 2019. However, they realized that very highly impacted customers might not have received the earlier notification. Yeah, when you are as big as Google, that happens. So, as a result, they have extended the depreciation timeline to August 12, 2020. GitHub is now making its core features freely available to everyone. Your company won't have to pay for a subscription to manage all its code in one place, including private repositories for unlimited users. Individuals are getting a break too, with unlimited collaborators available at no charge. Apart from that, both GitHub Pro and GitHub Team now cost $4 per month per user, down from $9. So GitHub has finally completed the acquisition of Node Package Manager. NPM will remain free for the developers to use, but GitHub says it will focus on 3 major areas. Number 1, engaging with the community to get ideas and help define the future of NPM. Number 2, investigating in the registry infrastructure and platform to ensure it is fast, reliable, and scalable. Number 3, improving the core experience to improve the everyday experience of developers and maintainers. That was my time. If you are still confused about what to learn and how, feel free to book a slot on CourseVeda through Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, or through our website. All the links are mentioned in the description. I will try to be back next week with a few more updates. Till then, be safe, wash your hands, stay quarantined, and keep aiming for excellence. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.